Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to merge cells in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by left clicking on the Home tab if it's not already the active tab that we're under. And you want to go ahead and select whatever columns you want to merge. So I'm just going to highlight over this first section here. So I'm going to select the row 2. So I'm going to highlight over all the items that I want to merge. And then you want to left click on this merge and center button right here. So this is merging cells only keep the upper left value and discard other values. So just keep that in mind. So if you left click on OK, it will discard other values, but you can see all of it has been merged. So if you just had text or something along those lines, that would also not be really an issue. And basically now if you wanted to unmerge it, just would left click on merge and center again, and that would unmerge it. And that's pretty straightforward. And if you wanted further options, you could select merge and center, merge across, so go all the way down, and pretty straightforward from there. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.